I'm sitting on 130 Robinson Ave in Pawtucket, Rhode Island, in the Darlington area of Pawtucket, which is highly desirable, highly preferred. We have single level living, 3 beds, 2 full baths, and almost 1,400 square feet of living space. Come in and take a look at what we have to offer for you. Hey everybody, it's Jonathan Bolano of Bolano Home over at Home Spot Professionals. As we walk through here, I want you to focus on a few key points. Hardwood floors throughout, bamboo floors in the master bedroom. In addition, you have the ensuite master bath. Tile floor in the kitchen, you have granite countertops, and single level living. Go and take a walk through and see if this is the right home for you and your family. Now, something real cool I want you guys to focus on as you're walking through the property is go into the bedrooms, check out the closets, and check out how much space is there. There's tons of room for storage, for kids' toys, for clothes, for shoes, you name it, it's kind of there. And then the last thing I want you to pay attention to is as you walk through the basement, I want you to notice unfinished, super high ceilings, very dry, and a ton more storage. Now welcome to the master bedroom, where you can have access to the ensuite bathroom, beautiful bamboo floors, and extra large closet space for you and your significant other to share. Oh, are you guys all set? Well, before you leave, I want you to see one final thing. Look at this beautiful fenced-in yard. So thank you for joining me at 130 Robinson Ave in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. I hope that you enjoyed your showing. If you want a private tour to come through this home, give us a call and let us know, and we can get something scheduled for you with the seller. Right now we're just doing this virtual tour, and hopefully this gives you a good feeling on what this property has to offer, and we can go from there. I hope to make a deal work with you.